That dog is seriously on cracking it.
I can hear him growling from here.
Garx's upstairs.
Oh no, it's
Get Sparta.
Yo, there's a bridge there now.
It's a proper
You don't use all your energy, it's still feeling like food.
There's a proper agile cat, is that cat?
Just went through that.
You heard him meowing?
It is, yeah.
Told you.
Get him, Sparta.
Benji.
Benji!
Did you get that bit?
I got bits of it, yeah. He's not bothered though, is he?
Bless it. Look at it. It's here.
Go get his ball.
Carry on that, Jimmy. Just follow the dog and keep an eye on
Benji. Come here. Look at your state, you went through.
Get it, Benji!
Hey.
You're better running round. You're spoiling it now, love.
The ball has killed them. Oh, oh, they're off.
Sparta, go get him.
Go on, Sparta. Attack.
The best mate. The mate's out of these two now, that's it.
We are out there.
Bless them. You can have so much fucking fun with these two now.
Big in it, that's all.
That's it. Say that though, you're going to have so much annoyance with these two when they start running around chasing each other.
Did he just run into a fence? I missed that bit. I was too busy following Cat.
Cat wants him to chase it, look. Ah, look at that. Catch me. This is how we're supposed to do it.
Come on, Sparta, go get him.
Like bloody kiss catches.